Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by ensuring the JDK is installed and Java Home is set. Run Java version to confirm. Once done, pick a build tool, Maven or Gradle, and generate a lightweight project structure so you can compile quickly. Then choose a web framework like Spring Boot or Jakarta EE and initialize a minimal app with a single controller. You want a runnable baseline now, not perfection. This gives you a deployable artifact to iterate against and helps pin down dependencies early. You now implement core endpoints, design controllers or REST resources to accept and return JSON and optionally serve HTML. Make sure to separate concerns, build a service layer, DTO, and a repository that uses JPA or your chosen persistence. Once the data flow exists, add validation annotations, centralized exception handling, and structured logging so you can diagnose behavior. You should also write unit tests for services and controller slices. This keeps you finalize by packaging the app into a jar or war and selecting a deploy target, Docker container, VM, or a platform service. Make sure to externalize configuration with profiles or environment variables so credentials and endpoints aren't hard-coded. Once deployed, run smoke checks against key endpoints and monitor logs for startup errors. If something breaks, inspect logs first, verify port and DB connectivity, and check for dependency version conflicts. That single troubleshooting step resolves most deployment failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.